You won't believe in the last one. The cat was convinced he finally caught the mysterious red dot and swallowed it. Bro doesn't look happy to the gift for his owner. Watch this Holly cat how he bless his owner. The cat known where he should be when his owner is busy. The owner thought he left the cat behind. The cat took that personally and started following him like an unpaid bodyguard.
Oh ah ah，耶！咣咣咣，嘞个蛋蛋耶！昨天晚上做了个梦，我走进撒哈拉沙漠。